where my years in forest service, a form of Raj Yoga, from the light of Bhagavad Gita, my journey in forest service can be viewed as a practical expression of Raj Yoga, not as self-praise, but as an exercise in self-assessment. Yes, as a forest officer, I was not dealing only with trees, tigers, elephant, other wildlife, and so many bunch of files. I was serving a living ecosystem involving forests, wildlife, staff, local communities, governance, and nature itself. My work reflected four dimensions of the yoga. First, Karma Yoga, selfless action, protecting forest, conserving wildlife, and serving without seeking personal recognition. Second, Gyan Yoga means wisdom, understanding that the survival of tigers and elephant depends on the health of entire ecosystem and the cooperation of society. Third, Dhyan Yoga, inner awareness, making balanced decision through patience, clarity, and inner intuition when rules alone were not enough. Fourth is Bhakti Yoga, means surrender, recognizing that the higher power, the Guru's grace, and divine guidance were working through me, and that I was only an instrument. Yes, when action was free from pride, awareness free from stress, and devotion free from blind belief, forest management become more than administration. It becomes a living practice of Raj Yoga. Forestry taught me Karma Yoga. Tiger management taught me Gyan Yoga. Elephant management taught me Dhyan Yoga. Heartfulness taught me Bhakti Yoga. And how to synchronize Karma Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Dhyan Yoga through Pujya Daji's A, E, I, O, U formula. When these four came together, a deeper realization emerged. Yes, I am not the owner or manager of nature. I am merely an instrument in its service. This, in the practical aspect of the Bhagavad Gita, is the essence of Raj Yoga. Thanks and regards. Love to all frontline staff of all current existing and non-existing departments, societies, farmers, all stakeholders of wildlife roaming areas. Regards to my all seniors and juniors, all honorable judges who strongly believe in natural justice, and heart-centered working politicians. My value is zero but with you all, my value become an infinite. Anant, thank you.